Hi, it's Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I wanted to show you our gumball machine and our inventory before we get to our spreadsheet today. So take a look. So this past week, it is January 12th. I would like you guys to update the spreadsheet. We did $22.75. $22.75. I'm going to write January. Today is the 12th. This is week 18. So we'll put week 18. Filled up machine with gumballs. And 1 5-pound bag left of those jelly beans, Starburst. That's all we have in inventory. So just some notes, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.